Dyma Callum Morris at Sing Dŵl. Dŵl ar y dde, mae Declan Poole. Sing Dŵl yn y le ar ochr bella gan Priestley Farquharson. Farquharson! O, na chi arbediad campus. Mae yna unwaith eto. O, ar ergyd gan Danny Davies oedd o. Astles. Harrington. Sislovic yn y cwrt at Ebi, doedd Ebi ddim yn cam sefyll. O, Disney. O, dyna chi dacl o ardderchog. Mi oedd rhaid oedd amseru honna yn gwbl berffaith. A mi nath o.
Honna'n siawns wych. Cyffyrddio cyntaf Ebi'n gadael lawr fyna. Ond tackle wych yw'ch chi'n gweud. Bryn gan Disney yn dod o'r tu ôl. Cael y bel yn lan.
Astles. Aaron Edwards. Aaron Williams ni gadael i creu Curran i Danny Davies. Davies. Mae yna le o'i flaen o'i herio Routledge yn sgwar at Aaron Edwards. Edwards o bell! Doedd ddim yn bell chwaith Aaron Edwards.
Yn symud y bil yn dda am dîm sydd fod yn dîm uniongyrchol. Just taro'n groes i'r bil fyna. Yn setrach na yn sydd trwyddi.
Morris. Ac oedd y targed Sing Dŵl. Sing Dŵl yn gwneud yn dda. Sgiliau da gan Samarin Sing Dŵl! A mae honna wedi mynd allan am gig goler bod Sing Dŵl yn hawlio byna gyffyrddiad. Oedd hi ar un o amddiffynwyr y Seintiau.
Dangos sgiliau da. Carw bel yn agos i drad. Ddim rhy bell o'r nod.
Mae'n disgyn i Farquharson. Aaron Edwards! O, hanner cyfle. Mae'n disgyn i Danny Davies. Davies! Y gwiriad oedd hi ar Declan Poole. A Harrison yn disgyn yn ddiolchgar arni hi o'r cyffyrddiad gan Declan Poole.
Hanner cyfleon i nhw. Bob tro, mae'n ddiffyn da gan y Seintiau Newydd. Dim un ergyd glir am y gol na.
Lle na 4 munud tan yr egwyl. Marriott. Marriott Hudson. Yr ergyd gan Routledge! A Robles! Louis Robles! Wedi sgorio 6 gol bellach mewn 5 gêm. A ni'n agosau at yr egwyl. Y Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Seintiau Newydd 1, Connah dim.
Am ddiffyn, Connah aros yn stond fyna. Neb yn symud am mewn tu ôl i'r amddiffyn. Ergyd gan Routledge. O'n i'n gweud bod eb wneud dim argraff ar y gêm, ond mae'n sicr mae'n wneud argraff nawr.
Disney. At Poole. Poole o croesia da'r peniad gan Aaron Williams. Do'n am nerth y tu ôl iddi hi, a mi oedd hi'n gyffyrddus a deud y gwir i Paul Harrison.
Dim digon o gyflymdra nerth ar y croesiad. Hawdd i Harrison ar y postyn cyntaf yna.
Davies. Y bas hir edrych am Curran, creu Curran. Marriott. Gornes ddifyr yn fyna rhwng Curran a Marriott. Mae Poole yn y canol, mae Williams yn y canol. Sing Dŵl. Sing Dŵl a Danny Davies. Wan ta Danny Davies i herio Harrington. Davies, cael ei groesiad i fewn ar gwiriad oedd hi ar Harrington. A chydig wydda Paul Harrison am yr ergyd yna gan Danny Davies.
Mae rhaid chi roi 10 allan 10 am ymdrech i Connah, ond ti'n nhw'n cael lawr y lwc yn y cwrt Cosby.
Williams ar tafliad hir. Os rhaid deud, Astles ar y pened. O, Bydd Williams yn wych yn fyna i gael i groesiad i fewn. Y dyrniad allan. Yr ergyd gan Danny Davies! O'n gwirodd i ar John Routledge am gig gornel, a mae o'n gwybod mor agos oedd o fanna.
Ie, croesgad gwych arall o'r asgell lle. Williams dro yma. Pwnio'r fel allan. Alch chi, gallai hwnna di mynd unrhyw le.
Oedd hi'n mynd, oedd hwnna ar y targed, Tom.
Oedd. Ond mae'n gorffen i fyny yn yr eisteddle.
Robles, gyda'r bel a glamu. Callum Roberts, ben efo Leo Smith. Wan tam yn y gyfle fan hyn, mae Sislovic yn rhydd ar yr ochr bella. Adrian Sislovic! O, tar ar postyn! Mae'n allan at Robles! Yr arbediad yn ei da, Draper! Ac yna cyfle i Aaron Williams i chlirio hi, ond fe ddylia Sislovic oedd wedi selio'r triffwynt yn y fan yna.
anffodus fyna. Sislevich gynta, wedyn Robles.
Edrych yn debyg bod tîm Andy Morrison yn mynd i golli am y tro cynta y tymor hwn. Bod y rhediad y Seintiau ennill pob gêm yn parhau. Mae'r chwarae yn parhau. Robles, ras rhwng Robles ac Owens. Robles! Ceisio i gwiro hi, ceisio i chrymanu hi. Mr Evans, y chwiban yn ei geg, y chwiban ola yn cael ei chwythu. Mae record y Seintiau Newydd, chwarae saith, ennill saith, diolch i Louis Robles i gol o wedi 41 o funudau yn gwahanu y tîmau. Mae wedi gorffen yma yn Newydd y parc, y Seintiau Newydd 1, Connah dim.
You know, we could say all the right things. You know, we've dominated the game. You could see who the champions of the Welsh League were tonight. Watching that game, they've lost 1-0, and it's a hard one. It's a hard pill to swallow because you know, we've annihilated them the second half. Okay, but the first half we were better than them in the first half. People will talk about the second half. The first half we were better. They've had one shot. It's sclaffed across the goal and it's got a rebound in 1-0 when we've dominated the first half, and then the second half was just an exhibition of counter-play. What I will say is, and I give credit to TNS, was at the key moments in the game, I think Astles and Hudson made some great late headers in really dangerous areas. So I'll give them credit for that they defended for their lives at times. But it's a hard one to swallow. As I've just said to the boys, you know, you can't keep coming and saying it's a hard luck story. We dominated them here last year when we lost 2-1. It's an absolute procession tonight how good we were compared to them, and we lost the game 1-0. It's unacceptable, and the reason why is the key moments in that final third, the key final pass. The hardest thing to do is score a goal. The next hardest thing is the final pass, the appreciation, the weight to allow the person to get the shot off. And at the minute we're lacking in that little bit of guile at that crucial moment, because everything else is there. The instats will show that we run more than them, we sprinted more than them, we're fitter than them across the team, and that's with 3 lads in the team who have done an 8-hour shift a day. So people talk about us being full time. We've got 3 players on the pitch who've done an 8-hour shift. We finished training last night at 9:30. So the gap that we've closed between us and them is incredible, and I'm incredibly proud, but I'm hurting really bad at the minute.
Scott, it's not often that you're dominated at home, like by another team, and come away winning, but were you lucky tonight?
I thought we defended brilliantly. Another clean sheet, 3 points, that's all I'm bothered about. We dominate every single team we play, so when Connah's come here and do well, possession-wise, fair play to them.
It was a very, very resolute defensive
performance
on your behalf.
Absolutely, that's why we got Blaine Hudson back in. He's been injured for a while, so we brought him back in tonight because we knew that it's going to be long throws and corners and long kicks from the keeper, etc. So I thought the 2 of them were fantastic, along with obviously Chris Marriott, Ryan and Paul Harrison as well. It was a resolute performance.